everyone, this is Sheila Sipan Matre, and today we are going to do a very interesting pick a card reading. We are going to find out how your overall finances are going to be, what you are going to buy from your finances, what are the obstacles in your finances, and the oracle cards as well. Alright, so thank you so much for all the love that you guys have been giving me. I read all your comments and I feel so blessed. So if you like this video, do like and subscribe to my channel so that you receive all the videos on your timeline as and when they are posted. So also please understand these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave what does not. Okay, now here we have 3 piles: pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. Alright, we'll also be doing angel numbers, okay, and we'll also be doing messages from your crystals. Okay, so breathe deeply and focus on the piles. In case if you have problems in choosing a pile, see what I do is normally I make 3 chits of number 1, 2, 3 and I tell God, Goddess and Archangels which pile is meant for me, and I pick one chit and I get my answer. Okay, so you can do that way as well, or you can see the crystals on top of the piles. Okay, we have a beautiful rose quartz crystal. Over here we have a clear quartz crystal, and over here we have an amethyst crystal. So you can just look what crystal is attracting to you. So just focus and then decide what pile is attracting you. You can also ask the question, dear God, Goddess and Archangels, how my overall finances are going to be, and accordingly choose a pile. Thank you. Hello pile 1. So all those who have chosen this beautiful rose quartz crystal, one thing is for sure, that you are going to earn a lot of money by following your heart's desire. Also there would be a loved one who will give you a lot of money. So right now I can hear some people going, oh, I don't have anybody like that. But remember one thing, okay, life always blesses us with unexpected and expected surprises. Okay, so definitely you guys are going to make money via following your heart desire, by a loved one, by doing what you love. Also I'm getting something to do with relationships, maybe even counseling. That's what I am hearing, okay, from the angels. Now let's see what your cards are saying. Okay, so let's see first how your overall finances are going to be. You're drawn the card King of Cups, which means you guys are going to be earning money. Okay, your finances are going to be very stable, very even though I feel that you guys would have gone through a lot of hard times, especially in the beginning of your life, but you will overcome it. I feel that a lot of you are self-made people. You have been you are the ones who have made your finances. Okay, I also feel that there is a man who guides you and who takes care of your finances. Also I feel that you guys are going to move away from troubled times if you are in troubled times, or if you were in troubled times. Okay, I feel that your experiences have made you very emotionally matured when it comes to money. I also feel that you guys are very good at advising people about money. The next card we have got is Ace of Wands. So I feel that you guys will keep on finding new ways of earning money. Okay, there will be as I said, you'll be doing what you love and earning money. So definitely you'll be following your passion, making a good amount of money. Also I feel that some of you would be in jewelry, diamonds, jewelry, and you'll be earning money via that. Okay, I also feel that there will be a lot of silver lining, okay, in your life. I feel that you guys will really work hard in terms of earning money. So when I connect both of these cards, I feel that your father, okay, your father is somebody, or your father is very much responsible behind your drive to earn money. Okay, he's somebody who believed in you, or he himself was very hardworking, and there's some sort of father connect which I can make in your finances. So definitely you guys are going to earn money via new sources. You'll keep on innovating yourself. So if you are into business, you will ensure that you have more other businesses to keep on earning money. If you're corporate, I'm pretty sure you will ensure that you venture into maybe consultation or maybe some sort of business idea. But I see you guys keeping on innovating and creating multiple sources of income. The next card that you have got is a moon card. So I feel that in this particular batch, okay, pile, there are many people, okay, who are in the creative field or who use their intuition to make money. The angels are telling that you need to listen to your intuition if you wish to make a lot of money in your life. And I also feel that though you are going to earn a lot of money, you're going to create multiple sources of income, you're going to be emotionally mature when it comes to money. However, you will kind of worry, okay, you'll have this habit of worrying about money since your past was pretty traumatic, okay, or as a child the money was an issue. That particular worry or anxiety will be there with you. Okay, I see money coming a lot via tapping on to the creative aspect, especially with something to do with women, okay, is what I'm getting. Okay, so I see in you there will be a lot of money coming your way. You guys are going to rise is what I'm getting, okay, when it comes to finances. Then the next card that you are drawn is Six of Swords, which means that your finances are always going to get better. Okay, it will never go worst. Okay, you'll always keep on moving to better times when it comes to finances. All right, I also see that whenever you are stuck, okay, when it comes to money, you always have some innovative idea. Okay, you always do something different, something out of the box, and you ensure that the flow of money keeps on happening. Okay, is what I'm getting. Also, I feel that this particular pile, you guys are quite spiritual, okay, in the sense that you do pray in order to ensure that your finances are always going towards the better times. But I clearly see that you guys really had tough time initially when with regards to money, okay, in your formative years. Now let's see what are the blockages. Okay, the first blockage is Knight of Pentacles, which means you guys are too much of a perfectionist. Also, you have a lot of trust issues. Okay, you don't trust people easily. You always, since you have seen the worst side of people as well, like I feel like some of you have given money to people, trusted them and have given money to people, and they're not returned back. So that has kind of made you wary about giving money to people. Okay, also I feel that in your desire to be too much of a perfectionist, you tend to lose out on opportunities. So please ensure that you don't get into too much of perfectionism. Also, I feel that you tend to at times be little bit you don't think through finances. Though you're emotionally mature, most of your decisions, like 70% of your decisions you take about finances, you take in a very, very matured way. However, at times, what happens is you impulsively do things regarding money. Okay, because since this has come in the obstacle card, okay, what's blocking your money? The next blockage that you have got, okay, is the Page of Cups. Okay, which means I feel that as I said, your formative years were not that great when it came to money. Okay, so I feel with the Page of Cups, okay, when you were in your teens and when you used to see everybody able to enjoy whatever they wanted, whereas you had to kind of wait, okay, for you to reach this level to enjoy money. So that has kind of made you a little bit there are a lot of hurt emotions, okay, which are there in your heart regarding money, okay, wherein you kind of feel that wish I had money back then, I could have done this, I could have lived a better life. Okay, so the angels are telling you that let go of the past, it's gone, it's done and dusted. Also what I feel is you guys need to bring in more of you need to bring in more that fun energy, okay, is what you really need, okay, because you have become so emotionally matured with money, you have become so emotionally serious with money that you have forgotten to enjoy it, okay. So you need to understand that savings money is a great idea, but you also need to enjoy your money, okay. So the angels are also telling you that there's abundance, okay, you need not be so much serious about money, so much doubting about money that you don't end up enjoying it, okay, is what the blockage is saying. Now let's see what your other oracle cards are saying, okay. The next card that you have drawn is moderation. Now this particular card, as I said, you need to have a balance, okay. You have been so serious about saving money, you always take responsibilities, especially financial responsibilities. So the angels are telling you, that relax, okay. Now it's time for you to enjoy your money as well. I also feel that this particular batch, you tend to light some candles, okay, for bringing in money is what I'm getting, okay. The next card that you have drawn is synchronicity. So you guys, the angels are saying that whenever you needed money, okay, they ensure that you are at the right place at the right time. Also they are saying that whenever you have asked for money, you have got it, okay. Also they're telling me that you need, rather than worrying about money, you need to notice the times when money has come to you whenever you needed it, okay. They're telling you that you have all the power to create money, okay. So don't be worried, okay. See, the next card that you have got is inner power. I was just telling you that you have that inner power, okay. Then you have drawn the inner child card. Now over here, okay, as I said before to you guys also, since you had issues, okay, in your childhood regarding money, on the formative years, okay, you were struggling with money, okay, that is the precise reason you kind of you need to heal your inner child is what I'm getting very clearly, okay, because at times you tend to go back to that time. Also I feel some of you are worried, okay, whether you will be able to provide finances to your children. So the angels are telling not to worry, because your finances are always going to improve. As from this card we can make out, it's always going to get better and better, and as it is, you're going to create multiple sources of income, okay. So no need to worry, okay, on that regards. The second thing that you have, the other card that you have drawn is block out distractions, which means, okay, you always tend to be like there is some ideas, okay, since you have got the Ace of Wands, you tend to have a lot of ideas to earn money, okay, but you are not working on most of them, because you are like, no, I am busy, I have to do this, I have to do that. So I feel, and also because you're too much of a perfectionist, okay, so you tend to delay, okay. So the angels are telling you to block out distractions and focus on whatever ideas that are coming to you, so that you can make the most out of it, okay. The next card that you are drawn is ask for your needs to be met, which means, again, I had told you with this card, synchronicity also, that whenever you have prayed for any kind of financial help, or whenever you needed money, money has always showed up. So the angels are telling you that, rather than worrying that what if I go back to that situation wherein I did not have money, or wherein I had financial problems, the angels are telling you to stop, okay. Whenever you will need money, money will come to you, because they're always there listening to you and helping you out, okay. The next card that you have drawn is new home and holiday. So I feel that whatever money you guys are going to earn, okay, since your finances are always going to get better, you will be able to buy the home that you always wanted to buy. You will be able to go on holidays that you really wish you can go for. Okay, so the whatever money you're going to earn, it's going to be more than enough for you to go, for you to buy a new home, for you to go on holidays. Also, I feel, that everything, okay, everything will happen in perfect timing. I also feel that in your cards there is a lot of blue and yellow. Okay, so I feel Archangel Michael and Archangel Uriel are very strongly with you. Okay, Archangel Uriel will help you to get those ideas that are required. Also, I feel, that this particular group, you have too many people, okay, telling you that you can't do it, you can't make it, this is not possible. Okay, at times your own inner voice, I want to say inner voice, at times your own there are words and thoughts in your mind which tells you, oh no, it's not going to happen, oh no, it's not possible. So the angels are telling you to calm down your that noise, that chatter, okay, in your mind, and understand. Okay, block out that noise that distracts you. Okay, just block it out and ensure that you focus on your finances, you focus on the ideas that are going to come to you to create multiple sources of income. So group 1, okay, I see you guys having multiple sources of income. I see you always going towards better times. I see that you need to focus on healing your inner child, okay, on healing your past which was traumatic. You guys, there's going to be a man who is going to help you. Okay, also the dreams that you had, okay, the dreams that your father had shown you that this is what I would like you to achieve, you are going to fulfill it. Okay, so don't worry, your finances looks really good. Now let's see what the angel numbers are telling you. Okay, so you have picked 82 and 8. Oh my god, that's like so awesome. Okay, so in angel numbers, 8 represents abundance, okay, which means abundance is going to come your way. It's a very good number to receive. And 2 means have faith. And as I said, your overall reading was also telling you to have faith. Okay, that you're going to be abundant, guys. You need not worry about money at all. Okay, now let's see what your crystals are giving you a message. Okay, one fell down. Okay, you got rose quartz. Oh my god, you had chosen a rose quartz crystal, and again you have got rose quartz. Okay, you got labradorite. Okay, and let me see which crystal is this. Okay, this is a moss agate. Okay, yeah, it's a moss agate. Okay, so rose quartz. All right, interestingly, rose quartz is a crystal of Archangel Ariel. She is the archangel of abundance, of money. So definitely she is there with you. She is telling you that she will be there to help you out. Also, I'm getting from the rose quartz that you guys, you had rejections in love. Okay, you are a giver is what I'm getting. All right, so you need to receive as well. You have blockage to receiving, my friends, so you need to get rid of those blockages. You got labradorite, okay, which represents, which shields the aura, and which also this particular labradorite also helps in intuition, in third eye. So I feel there are a lot of psychics or healers in this particular pile. Okay, so the labradorite is telling, and you also got the moon card, which means listen to your intuition. Your intuition is going to guide you how to earn more money. Okay, you draw the moss agate crystal, which is also crystal of prosperity. So I feel the moss agate is telling you, that you need to keep on you need to keep on moving ahead. Okay, don't get stuck anywhere. Okay, you have it in you that if ever you are stuck, you'll keep on moving ahead. So don't worry at all as to what if in the future there is dearth of money. They're telling you that's not going to happen. Whenever you need any kind of money, you're going to receive it. Okay, so this was for pile number 1. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Do write in the comment section what resonated with you. Also, guys, do like and share this particular video with anyone whom you think will benefit from this reading. So this was how your overall finances are. Pile number 1. Thank you so much. Hi, pile number 2. So all those who have chosen this beautiful clear quartz wand. Okay, first and foremost, you guys are manifestors. You are able to clearly think what you want and you're able to manifest it. Also, I feel that you guys, with if somebody gives you a pep talk, okay, regarding money, you definitely, get motivated, okay. So also I feel that you guys, are quite transparent when it comes to your nature, okay. You're not one of those people who have different things in heart and different things on your, in your words, okay. What you feel is what you say, all right, is what I'm getting. Also, you are a very colorful personality, okay. You bring in a lot of vibrance wherever you go, is what I'm getting as well. Your mind is your mind is your strength, okay. So I feel that you guys would be earning a good amount of money if you use your intellectual abilities, okay. Now let's see what your cards are saying. The first card that you're drawn is Chariot, which means that you guys are going to move ahead when it comes to finances. The cards that we are doing over here is how your overall finances are going to be. So definitely you guys are going to move ahead really strongly. You guys are, going to see, I feel that you guys are fighters, okay. You're not one of those people who give up, okay. So I feel that, you guys are, going to ensure that not only you go ahead, but also you are able to take your family along with you financially. I'm also getting that you have a lot of angel support with you for you guys to go ahead in life, okay. I'm also feeling that you guys you have control on your finances is what I'm getting very strongly, okay. The next card that you have drawn is Ace of Wands. I think the last the last pile also had Ace of Wands, okay. So I feel that this particular pile, okay, as I said, okay, even here is a wand and even this card, he's holding a wand. So you guys are magicians when it comes to money. You can create any amount of money that you wish to. You have this strong ability, okay. You have so many ideas with you that can be really fruitful if they are implemented, okay. Also, you guys, when people ask you advice that what they need to do, especially with regards, to career or business, you're really able to give them good suggestions is what I'm getting. You're somebody who when you walk into the room, people take note of you, okay. You like to dress well. So I see a lot of money being invested in your wardrobe, okay, is what I'm getting. Wow, next card that you're drawn is Ace of Pentacles, okay. So it's a high possibility that this particular pile is dealing with stock market, okay. Stock market, or they're working for a bank or a financial firm or insurance is what I'm getting. Okay, so you're somebody who knows how to multiply money. So if somebody gives you 1 rupee, you know how to make 100 rupee out of it, okay. Also, I feel that you're always going to have, God is always going to give you a lot of money, okay. Opportunities are going to come to you, money is going to come to you. The best part is, okay, that you will be able to use the opportunity and the money in the most diligent way, okay. So if somebody wants to know how to invest money, you guys are good in advising them. So money wise, okay, you guys are just going to go ahead, okay. The next card that you are drawn is Four of Cups. So what happens is, okay, so it's, oh my god, it is so interesting that this particular pile, you have a hand coming from the sky giving you money. You have a hand coming from the sky giving you opportunities. You have a hand coming from the sky and giving you emotional fulfillment, okay. However, at times you tend to be sad or depressed or dejected, okay. So the angels are telling you that stop being sad, depressed, rather than looking at what you have missed, focus on what the divine is giving you. You have so much of God's blessings with you guys. It is so amazing, okay. I see that some of you are Lord Shiva Bhakt, okay, is what I'm getting. Okay, now let's see what are your blockages, okay. Oh, you guys have drawn 3 blockages. So you're drawn Knight of Wands, okay, which means at times you go so you temper is one of your issues, is what I'm getting. Also at times, you tend to either take very fast decisions, or you take too much time to decide, okay, and in this inability to decide at the right time, you let go of opportunities to earn money. Also you got in obstacle the Four of Pentacles, which means, okay, at times you are so thrifty when it comes to money. You tend to be so controlling with money, okay. You have problems in you tend to be so controlling with money that that you don't enjoy it, okay. Though I feel that you love to dress up well, but you need to also have some fun with money. You can't be so controlling when it comes to money. Also you are somebody who keeps on thinking about whole day, how can I make more money, how can I make more money, how can I have a better life, what can I do to have a better life, okay. You're a very, very career oriented person, so the angels want you to kind of relax, okay. And the next obstacle that you have drawn is Three of Swords. Now this obstacle means that in your life, okay, there was a time when you had faced a financial loss, okay, or there was a time when you have had some sort of incident which kind of some kind of trauma, okay, especially financial trauma that you guys have undergone. Maybe loss of a job, or maybe some giving money to someone and never getting it back. So some sort of financial loss, or maybe even a time when you did not have enough money, okay. So that particular loss has made you so controlling, okay, when it comes to money. You feel that you need to save so much, you feel that you should always be surrounded with money, okay. So the angels are asking you to kind of chill, okay. You will have the money that you need. Okay, now let's see what other cards you have drawn, okay. You have drawn, okay, the Dream Big card, okay, which means the angels are telling you, as I said in the beginning of the video, you guys are manifestors, okay. So I feel most of you today, okay, are having all those things that one point of time you had dreamt of having, okay. So the angels are telling you the way you're in the past, your dreams have come true. You need to now also use your dreams to go ahead, especially with terms of finances. You got all the best cards, okay. The next card that you have got is Debts Paid Off, which means you'll have so much money that you will be able to pay off all kinds of loans that if you have any loans, you'll be able to pay it off. If you're worried about how will you manage money, don't worry, you'll have so much money that you're going to pay it off really well, okay. The third card that you have got is Your Wish is Granted. Oh really, how amazing. So which means that whatever you wish, okay, for example, if you wish, oh, I wish to have that solitaire or that BMW car, the angels are telling you all those wishes are going to come to fruition. You're going to, whatever your wishes are regarding your finances, they're going to come true. The next card that you got is Higher Consciousness. I feel that you guys, you really invest in yourself, especially with regards to your mindset, okay. You believe, that how a mind is capable, okay, how if your mind is strong, okay, how your mind is powerful, and how you can make money from your mind. So you ensure that you keep yourself updated, okay. The next card that you're drawn is New Opportunities. So a lot of opportunities are going to come your way. As I said, you've got so many opportunities as it is, okay. So on top of that, further opportunities. So a lot of opportunities will come your way to earn money. Also, I feel, okay, that your family, your friends will look up to you. They'll be like, oh my God, so and so is doing so well in life, especially financially, okay. The next card that you have drawn is Have Courage and Ask for Help. So the angels are telling you that you want to do everything on by yourself, okay. You don't like to take anybody's help. So they are telling you the way you're meant to grow, you need to get that kind of help. You cannot do everything on your own. You need to delegate. Also, I feel, okay, that it is all right. I feel that you guys are not open to receiving financial gifts, okay. So please understand one thing: if anybody is offering you a financial gift, take it, okay. The next card that you are drawn is pay yourself first, which means again, okay, this and this card is saying that you guys have blockage in receiving, okay, in even accepting, okay, if you're giving a particular service, you have problem in taking money for that. If you are working somewhere, you have problem in asking for a raise. Some of you I know that have overcome that habit. See what is happening, guys, you're not opening, you're not talking to your boss or to your clients that you need to be paid more, and that is why maybe you're feeling sad, okay, you're feeling that I deserve more money but I'm not getting that money. So you need to speak for yourself, you need to understand, okay, that. And also the angels are telling you that you're saving so much of money that you're not spending on on yourself. So spend some money on yourself. Apart from just it doesn't matter that you invest money only in your wardrobe, okay, invest money in taking really good care of yourself, okay. The next card that you got is it's up to you, okay, which means that you, whatever money targets that you're going to have for yourself, you're going to achieve those, okay. The next card that you have got is be assertive, which again is talking about these cards, okay. You need to be assertive, you need to ask money. If you're given money to someone, ask them to return it back, okay. The other cards that you got is journey and moon energy. Interestingly, the previous pile also had the moon card, okay. So I feel you guys are always going to progress when it comes to money, okay, there is no doubt about it. I feel that also I feel that you are going to go beyond your anxieties and fears, and you're going to, whatever dejection you're going to feel, you're going to be assertive, you're going to ensure that you receive money. But whatever your wishes are about money, all of them are going to get fulfilled, okay. They're asking you to dream big. I also see that some of you, okay, will be who wish to buy a new car, okay. I feel that you're going to have enough money to buy the car of your dreams, okay. I'm getting that very strongly. Now let's see what angel numbers want to tell you. Okay, one has popped up. We'll remove one more. Okay, got 63. Oh my god. Okay, interestingly, okay, if I it's a little bit similar, okay. So 3 and 9 and 6 and 3, okay. So guys, you are going to earn a lot of money via your work, okay. There are people who get inheritance, okay. So I feel that yes, you're going to receive those inheritance also, but I'm seeing that, as I said, all your wishes regarding money is going to get granted. So this is what a 6 number is telling me, that all your material wishes will get fulfilled. You have a lot of god, goddess and archangels energy with you, because see, as it is, all these cards are saying the same thing. So much of God is giving you, whether it is money, opportunities, emotional fulfillment. So no wonder you got double 3, which means you're going to get a lot of support of the god, goddess with you, okay. Also what I'm getting is that you guys, it could be that 3 and 6 are some 3, 6, 9, okay. These 3 numbers are some sort of significance to you, is what I'm getting. But you got very good cards, by the way, guys. Now let's see what crystals are wanting to tell you, okay, regarding your finances. Okay, so we have got tiger's eye and we have got Unakite. Okay, so tiger's eye is about confidence, okay. Tiger's eye is also a stone of prosperity, and this particular crystal is telling you that be confident, okay. You have it in you. You need to be more assertive, okay, when it comes to money, which your cards are also any which way telling you. Tiger's eye is telling you to be like a tiger, okay. Also they're telling you that you have a very good your mind's eye, okay, is very developed, okay. If somebody tells you to imagine an apple, okay, you'll be able to immediately visualize an apple, okay. So I also, Unakite is a third eye stone, a clairvoyant stone again. So here also this card is telling you the same, this crystal is telling you the same thing. Also, I feel that some of you would have some sort of life purpose involving children. Okay. Also, I feel that it's quite possible that you know you are kind of worried about your parents. Okay, so the angels are telling you to relax. Okay, the crystals are telling you to relax, be confident, you're going to be prosperous. Okay, no doubt about it. You're going to have all the visions required for you to go ahead. So group 2, my god, what amazing cards you have got. I mean, I just can't get this 3, the aces, kind of coming out of my head. The reason I say 3 aces, because apart from this 2 hands coming out of the sky, we also have one more hand. So you have literally, except the sword, you have 3 God's hand coming out of the sky and blessing you guys. Trust me, if you're worried about your finances right now, please understand your overall finances are magical and there's nothing to worry about. Okay, group 2, if you like this particular video, do like and subscribe to my channel. Do write in the comment section what did you like. Also, if there's any topic on which you would like me to do a pick a card reading on, please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to do that for you. Okay guys, so do share the video with anybody whom you think are currently worried about money and this reading could help them. Okay, thank you so much. Hello group number 3. So all those who have chosen this beautiful amethyst crystal, okay, wand. Okay, so I feel that you guys, you are any which way prosperous. Okay, I feel that you guys, okay, are you have Archangel Michael with you very, very strongly. Okay, and also you're protected. If you're worried about your financial security, please don't be worried, because the angels will ensure that you are secure, okay, financially especially. Now let's see what your cards are saying. Okay, so you're drawn the 10 of Cups. Beautiful. Okay, I so love this card. Okay, 10 of Cups is telling that your family, all the financial needs of you and your family will be met. Okay, so don't worry, you'll have a very happy financially prosperous family life. You'll be able to provide, okay, all the emotional needs of your family members will be able to fulfill, okay, with your finances. And then you have got the World card. Oh my god, you guys will have money coming in from, you'll be earning money not only in your in the currency of your country, but you'll also be getting international currency, is what I'm clearly getting. Okay, I'm also seeing that you'll be, everybody will be like, oh my god, this person has so much money. Okay, you will be able to make money out of multiple sources. Okay, I see not only one source but multiple sources, what I can clearly see. Also, I feel that you guys, you'll be able to enjoy your money. Okay, you guys will be able to travel the whole world with the money that the divine is going to give you. Also, I feel that if you have children, okay, and you want them to go outside for education, okay, or you yourself want to go outside of India for education, okay, that's going to happen. You're going to earn a lot of money to sponsor your child's education, is what I'm getting very clearly. The third card that you have got is the Devil's card, which means, okay, Devil is not always a bad card. Okay, so the Devil's card is telling you that yes, there will be people who will be jealous of your money, but you will also enjoy your money. Okay, you'll be somebody who will know how to not only work hard and earn money, but also how to enjoy the money that you're earning. Okay, so that's so beautiful. Okay, the next card that you got is Two of Pentacles, which means, okay, you will have so much money that you will have to kind of manage it pretty well, which you will do. I see a lot of hard work. Okay, you guys are very, very hard working, to ensure that your family, okay, has everything in the world at their feet. You really work hard. I also feel that you guys have taken a lot of responsibility when it comes comes to family, if you, even though you were young, you ensured that you know you took care of your parents, your siblings financially, okay, is what I'm really getting very strongly. The lots of karma are definitely going to bless you with very good money. Please ensure that you do not show off your money, because if you do show off your money, or if you develop arrogance, okay, when it comes to money, it may affect your finances, okay. So one thing that you really need to be careful of is to ensure that you're down to earth, even when your finances are going to be like awesome, okay. No matter what, be grounded, be humble, all right. But I see amazing kind of money, international money coming to you, good family security when it comes to money, and no matter what, you're going to create that path for yourself, okay. Now let's see what the obstacles are. The obstacles are Magician, okay. So guys, all right, as I said to you, you're not going to tell anybody about your finances, okay. If you are in a business wherein you can't help but show your business, okay, on your Facebook page or on your social media page, okay, that's all right. But do not show your money, okay. Show off your money, okay, is what I'm trying. Wherever you can kind of not be so on the face about how much money you earn, it will be better for you. Also, I feel that you guys have kind of forgotten how to use your manifestation abilities, so you need to focus on that. I also feel that it's quite possible. See, both these cards, okay, are telling me that you need to protect your money, okay. Do not come into other people's sob stories and give money. Since you are quite a family oriented person, I feel that somebody from your extended family, okay, may try to dupe you regarding money, so you have to be very, very careful. Also, I see some sort of dispute regarding inheritance, okay. So please ensure that you take care of it, okay. Also, I feel that you're not using your resources properly, is what I'm getting. You have a lot of gifts, okay. You need to use those gifts to make money. The other obstacle that you have got is Chariot, okay. So you are stuck, okay. I feel as of now things are not moving for you. You're kind of stuck, okay. You feel like, and I feel that maybe you are stuck because of some sort of negativity. So guys, for you, what I'll be doing is I'll be sharing there's a protection and shielding mini workshop that I had taken, okay. So you can refer to that. You can just, I think you need to we have made a playlist, okay, called protection. So go to that playlist and there are various videos uploaded, so follow that, okay. Though you don't have to worry about this negativity, because all this is going to go and you're going to move ahead beautifully, there's no doubt about it, but you need to take care of that, okay. The other obstacle that you are drawn is 5 of Cups. So you guys tend to be gloomy, okay. You don't see the cups which are upright. You tend to focus on the cups which have fallen, okay. So stop thinking about the losses and focus on whatever you have gained via money. See, your future is beautiful, okay. You got the World card, the 10 of Cups card. Your both hands are going to be full of money. So you got beautiful cards, okay. So there's nothing to worry about. You're going to have fun with money. So whatever your losses are, okay, try and forget it. Be grateful for money is what this card is telling you. The next card that you have got is the Treasure Chest. So wow, you guys are going to have this sudden windfall of money, unexpected money coming to you, and that is so beautiful. No doubt, because of that, as I said, also I see some of you getting family inheritance, so a lot of abundance coming your way, so there's nothing to worry about, okay. Also, I feel that if try and be more open, okay, to receiving money, okay, because I see that some sort of windfall will come your way, okay. The next card that you got is Flourish. Again, such an amazing card. Flourish means growth, and over here we can easily see that. So definitely you guys are going to have experiences in your life, finances in your life that are going to really make you grow. Also I feel, you know, goddess Lakshmi is very very strongly with you guys. Okay, you have her blessings. Maybe you have some connect with her, goddess Lakshmi or goddess Fortuna. Okay, out of these two goddess you have a special connect with either of them or both of them, and they are really blessing you. The next card that you got is transformation. Okay, which means, you know, that you transformation means there is going to be a makeover. Okay, so your finances are going to become better and better with time. All right. The next card that you got is travel. So with all the money that you're going to make, as it is, you got the world card. Okay, and the travel card is also clearly telling that you are going to really travel. There's a lot of family trips outside of whichever country you are living in. Okay, the next card that you have got is do some research. So this is where, you know, we need to be careful of. Okay, so don't invest into anything without proper research. Okay, don't just give money to someone without really knowing whether they need that money or whether they'll return that money or not. Okay, the angels are asking you to feel safe. Okay, I said before as well. Okay, see, these two cards may have kind of, you know, scared you. If they have scared you, please understand the angels are telling you that you are safe when it comes to money. You have nothing to worry about. Okay, the next card that you got is financial flow. What an amazing card to get when you are doing a financial reading. I feel that your ancestors, okay, your ancestors are with you. They are blessing you. They are telling that, you know, they are kind of giving you some ideas, okay, to earn more money. You have the blessings of the whole family lineage with you. Okay, the next card that you have got is trust. Okay, so trust that everything is going to go fine. You all have that divine protection. And see, very interestingly, in this particular can you see this amethyst wand? There are two amethyst wands, isn't it? And you guys have chosen that. Okay, the angels are telling you that you are ready for transformation. So don't feel that, okay, oh my god, there are certain changes that you want to make regarding your finances. Maybe you want to start a new business, maybe you want to take up a new job, but you are kind of worried whether this transformation is going to be right or not for you. So the angels are telling you that, you know, don't worry, trust, you know, and you're ready to make this changes when it comes to your finances. The other card that you have got, okay, is visualize abundance in all forms. Okay, so here the cards are telling you that, you know, at times you tend to be positive about money, at times you tend to be negative about money. So this constant, you know, to and fro that you go about money energetically, that confuses the universe. So they're asking you to have one particular vision, okay, which is a positive vision. All right. The next card that you got is donation and teaching work. I am getting a strong feeling that whatever donations you have been doing till now, okay, that is going to result in a windfall of abundance coming your way. You've done a lot of karmic good to, you know, when it comes to money, and that's going to come back to you multifold. So the cards are really beautiful. There is nothing to worry about. The only thing that group 3 you need to be careful of, since so much of money is going to come your way. See, I've got the card of treasure chest. You got financial flow. Okay, since so much of money is going to come in your life, okay, so much of trips you're going to make, that you may attract negativity of other people. So don't worry, follow the protection and shielding video which is there in the protection playlist, and you're good to go, and any which way you're safe. So nothing to worry about. Okay, trust that the divine is protecting you. Now let's see what the angel numbers are telling. Okay, one number has come out, and we'll see. You got the 7-2 and you got the 5-0. Okay, so the number 50 is telling me that the creator loves you and there are positive changes coming in your life. Okay, and the number 7-2 is telling me that you need to have faith. You are on the right path. I already told you that the donations and charity that you have done, you helped so many people, that you are going to get that kind of returns back in unexpected way. Okay, windfall of money coming your way. Now let's see what the crystals are telling. Group 3, message from the crystals. Oh my god, that's so lovely. You have got the bloodstone crystal and the malachite crystal. Now let me tell you guys, the bloodstone crystal is for protection and prosperity. Okay, and any which way you had drawn the amethyst crystal, and I think in the beginning I told that you guys are safe and protected, which again the card is also telling you. So you are protected, you are safe, there is nothing to worry about. Also I feel here the bloodstone, okay, the blood, okay, which means ancestral blessings. Okay, that's also, again, it's coming very strongly from this particular stone. Again, family, money from family, money from inheritance, or a family giving you some sort of money. I can hear some of you going, oh, but I don't have anybody like that in my family to give me money. Please don't. Do not define it. You never know how things may just turn around. The malachite stone is of business. Okay, this is a stone which is of business. It's good to have if you're a business person. So I feel if you do not have a business right now, you are going to come, or you're going to come across a business opportunity. And if you're already in a business, trust me, your business is going to give you a lot of money. Okay guys, so group 3, this was your reading, and this is what the angels have for you. This is how your finances are going to be. They're going to be so amazing. I mean, look at the cards that you got. So lovely, so lovely. You have got the 2 financial flow cards. One is a financial flow, which means constant money coming to you. One is an unexpected money coming to you. And these 2 cards are so beautiful. The World card, the 10 of Cups, so amazing. Group 3, I think you guys don't really do that many prayers. Okay, so you need to start praying, is what I'm getting very clearly, in order to raise your vibrations further and make more money. So group 3, if you like this video, do write in the comments section, do like and subscribe to my channel. If you think somebody will benefit from this video, do share it with them. All right, group 3, thank you so much, all the groups, for all the love, blessings that you send my way. Take care guys, and see you till the next pick a card reading.